to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the magazine number 12 of the Ferrari collection. So this is the Ferrari Dino. I'm going to have a look at the 143 scale that comes with this at the end. But we'll have a quick and a brief look at what comes inside this magazine. So in this particular one, we're looking at the 355 challenge. The production models is the Dino 246 GTS, which is this one here. A worthy winner is the F1 2000, and the Dino 246 GTS mid-engine masterpiece is the poster. I haven't taken any of the posters out of these. I've left them all in. If you're interested in reading any more of the detail here, because I'm not going to go through it in complete detail, please pause the video and have a look. So race refinements 355, we do get a model of 355 race car. Can't remember what colour it is though. I have to look at that. That'll be in an upcoming magazine. So we've got a 90-degree V8 and it is a 3.496cc, so 3.5 litre with 380 brake horsepower at 8,250 RPM and a top speed of over 290 or 180 mile an hour. Numbers produced, not released. So in between 95 and 2000, they released the F355, but nobody knows how many were made. I wonder if that's because they keep making them for the track. Any get destroyed, they have to keep making? I don't know. World's fastest shop window. Yeah, okay. And I think that's what it was all about, wasn't it? The whole class was the 355. Mugello, 1996, a tale of the 355 from Lombard Rossa Corsa team, photographed during the challenge race at Mugello at 1996, as well as the circuit near Florence. Ferrari also own the Fiorano track in the province of Modena. They do too. The racing client. Very nice. All right, Dino 346 GTS 1972. Very nice looking car. Still would go with 250 myself if I had the chance. Although the Dino 246s, I wouldn't say no if someone's giving me one. Thank you. 1970s success story. The Dino's removable hardtop was similar to the design used by Porsche 911, Targa, and towards the end of the 1970s. On the 914 built with collaboration with Volkswagen. The Ferrari's cockpit was impressive. The 8 round dials of its sports instrumentation were reminiscent of the Daytona, while the leather covered steering wheel had 3 perforated spokes. Yeah, the great Ferrari is the birth of a masterpiece. It was the in thing taking the roof off. Targa wise back then, wasn't it? There were many cars that decided to do it. So there's our poster. Not taking it out, leaving it there. Don't have the wall space to go doing that anyway. Oh, I do like how the top comes up on that particular one. Is that how this one came up? No. No, I don't think so. It's a slightly different. To reinforce Ferrari's styling heritage, the Dino had the traditional 4 exhaust outlets, unusual for a 6-cylinder car, and the 4 round headlights at the rear that were borrowed from the Daytona. The wheels on the GTS were fixed by 5 bolts to the great displeasure of the more purist customers. Central wing nut of the 206 GT had been dropped on cost of safety grounds. Okay. I don't mind the looks of that one. The engine is is it going to tell us what it is? It is a 65-degree V6. Okay. 2.419.2 to be exact. So a 2.4 litre, if we round that down. 195 brake horsepower at 7,600 RPM. Top speed of 152 mile an hour or 245 kilometres an hour. And back in 1972, that was pretty fast. 1,200 were produced. Nice. Very nice. It was a very nice looking sporty car. Sports car, even. All right, F1 2000. That was the Schumacher domination time, wasn't it? Yeah, I think so. Engine was a Type 049 rear-mounted 90-degree V10. Oh my God, did those things sing. Yes. Loved it. 810 brake horsepower at 17,600 RPM. Yeah, that's moving, isn't it? Maximum speed not released. Number produced, 8 of them. 8 of them were produced. There you go. Winning the title in Japan. Nice. Yeah, very dominant this year. Honours roll. So this is Michael Schumacher first in the Australian, Brazilian, San Marino, European, Canadian. Barrichello won the German. Michael back to the Italian, US, Japanese, Malaysian. And he won the Drivers' Championship, and Ferrari won. Yeah, this was dominating time. All right, in the next magazine, part 13, we get a 288 GTO model. Beautiful car. Absolutely beautiful car. So we'll take a look at that one in the next one. That'll be next week. Let's have a look at the die-cast car in this particular instance. Get my camera to focus in. There we go. Do have Ferrari on the wheels there, in the middle there. That's actually, I think, does that say Pininfarina in there? Or can we actually get that to focus? It's not focusing. All right. Well done. Vents are indentations, but they're black. They don't go in very far for the model. I don't mind the lights on those. It looks all right. One silver mirror on the driver's side. 2 windscreen wipers. I noticed one's facing up and one's down. That's on purpose. Okay. Same again on the other side, the rear end. 4 lights. Dino written there by the looks of it. Can I get that to focus? The camera's having trouble today. There we go. And in the interior, I can see a dash and even a center console. See if I can get that to lighten up. This is actually a really nice model. The gear stick has a chrome top to it. Handbrake looks like it's on, which it probably should be while there's no driver in these. But there we go. There's a better view of the interior. Well done. I will put this on the turntable. We'll take a closer look at it. Does look like it's got a little bit of a spot there. That happens when you don't have these covered. Stuff gets on them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will show you on the turntable, and then we'll come back with next week, magazine number 13, 288. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye.